What's up, YouTube? Back at it with a shit ton of unboxings. So, if you're new to the channel, this is the Sneakerland. So remember that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications. Now let's get started. I just came back from Cancun. It was my birthday last week. So, haven't had time to do videos, and I just got these packages in for my birthday. A lot of gifts from my sisters, my nephew, a bunch of stuff I just want to crack open for you guys. So let's get into this. Let's crack open the first thing from Fanatics. Crack this open. I got this as a gift from my sister. Well, it was a gift card from my sister, and I bought this shirt with it. So technically a gift from my sister. So open this up. Bang. Had to get a Nike Philly shirt, the old school Philly design to it. Maroon color. It's one of my favorite colors because it represents everything in Philly. Nice design. Cooperstone collection. Nike. I think this is a dry fit shirt, but I don't know. No, not a dry fit shirt, but nice shirt. Nice, normal looking shirt that I can wear. And let me know if you guys like these. This. Crack this open. Next box. Next box. I don't even know what's in these boxes. I'm just opening it. So, my reaction, or the first reactions. Cracking these open. Okay. Oh, cool. This is from my other sister. Pretty cool stuff I could put around as decorations. Batman. Neat, neat. Put that right there. Another box from my sister. I believe Love with Food is like a subscription snack box thing. Let's crack this open and let's see what's in this real quick. Can't open this. What the? Alright. Okay. Got some veggie chips. Non-garlic chips. More veggie chips. I believe these are all samplers, so it's all sampler snack pouches. Fruit, natural fruit, dried fruit. Got these dried grapes, so I'm guessing raisins. Mini cookie stash. Oh, that's a lot. That's a big ass box. Salted caramel puff corn. Aloha, blah blah blah. Chickpeas, whatever the hell these are. Dried chickpeas. And Teddy soft bakes. These look pretty good. And then a bunch of coupons in there. What else is in here? Some Halo almond, some seaweed strips. Alright, so let's crack open the next thing I got. Another box. More stuff. Oh. Okay, more pop heroes. Cool. They're green. I'm guessing they're supposed to glow in the dark. Pretty cool. Batman, Superman. Superman, one of my favorite heroes, superheroes. Pretty cool. Put this to the side. Next box. Actually, let me go over what my nephew got me. Haha. My nephew is like 6, about to turn 7. and it's September, so I'm guessing he just got these because I like being on my computer. Stylus, pens. He can't really afford nothing. He's 7 years old, so appreciate everything he gives. Oh look, got a VR headset. I'm guessing he really want to play with this, but it's nice, super nice. Wait, give me 1 second. Let me grab the card he got. So this is the card I got from my nephew. It's pretty nice. Let me open it. So this is supposed to be, his name is Yasin, and this is supposed to be, I'm guessing, me YouTubing. He's drew a picture of me YouTubing. Pretty cute. I love him. Now, crack open the main attraction. These came out, released on my birthday. I was like, oh my god, I need these pair. And next thing you know, I actually thought I missed out on it. Because it says sold out. Because I was trying to actually get 2 pairs. I have 2 Nike ID accounts. But at one of them, it said it sold out, ran out of my size. And then like 30, maybe an hour later, it said, you got them, or some shit that Nike does. But able to get these. Let's crack this open. Ooh. Man. Nike did not disappoint with these pair of sneakers. First time in a while that they released something like this. But these are the Nike Zoom Dunk High Premium Thomas Campbell What the Dunks right here. Woo! So lucky I got a pair. I mean, especially for retail. Woo! Oh, I don't know how many YouTubers got a review on these, but these are nice. Fabric is different on every layer of the shoe. It's like suede and tumble leather, really tumble leather. Right here. And then like, I don't even know, like a khaki as a swoosh. Let me pull out the other pair. Ooh. These are nice. I really like these. I was able to get these for my birthday, so these were a birthday present to myself. I mean, pulled out both shoes. The material pattern on both shoes are the same. Just like a jean as the swoosh, or like khaki swoosh, suede, and leather. Gum bottoms. I like the little orange hint right here. Nice touch, Nike. Nice touch. Nike SB on the top. Something new design. Every side is a different design. Back, if you guys can see that. These are nice. These are nice. I mean, when was the last time they released the What the Dunks? It's been a while. But, nice design, really. Like the star in the middle kind of make it look like a Bathing Ape shoe. I don't know about that, but check that out. Let me know if you guys pick these up. Were able to pick these up. I know in StockX they go for like $2 something now, aftermarket. But I was able to get these for retail, $110. Thank God. Okay, there's more stuff. Orange laces. Let me know if I should put orange laces on these. Alright, hope you guys liked the video. Peace. I'm out.